Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Peak on Xbox. First, understand that Peak is primarily a mobile application, not a native Xbox game. However, your Xbox console offers robust web browsing, allowing you to access web-based versions of Peak or similar brain training platforms. We will guide you through using the built-in browser and discuss screen mirroring options to bring Peak's engaging exercises to your television screen, powered by your Xbox. One straightforward method involves using your Xbox's integrated web browser. Simply open the Microsoft Edge application from your console's dashboard. Then, type in the web address for Peak's online platform or a similar brain training site. You can navigate the website using your Xbox controller, but for a smoother experience, consider connecting a wireless keyboard and mouse. This setup makes clicking and typing much more efficient for your training sessions. Another excellent way to experience Peak on your Xbox is through screen mirroring. Many modern smartphones and tablets allow you to cast their display to a compatible smart television. If your Xbox is connected to that same television, or if your TV supports direct casting, you can mirror your mobile device's screen. This projects Peak directly onto your large television, offering a more comfortable and engaging visual experience for your daily brain workouts. To truly maximize your Peak experience on Xbox, remember a few key tips. Consistent engagement, even for just 10 minutes each day, can significantly enhance your cognitive functions. Ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection, especially when using the browser method, to avoid any lag. Also, explore the wide variety of over 40 brain games Peak offers, targeting different skills like memory, problem-solving, and attention to keep your training comprehensive and fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.